Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be the beginning of a new series. I'm really excited about it. It's going to be my decluttering and organization series. I have a lot of things in my home that I've been trying to get rid of over the last couple of years, and now that I'm having a baby girl, which is my second child, I really need to get the ball rolling and get these things taken care of. So over the next couple of videos, you're going to see me clean and declutter, organize in vlog style and in cleaning style over the next couple videos. And I'm just gonna take you guys along with me. I was gonna try to do it all in one video. That's just not gonna happen. I have way too many things to organize and declutter. So again, I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I'm excited about this new series, and hopefully you enjoy these videos that are to come. So let's jump right into it. So I'm starting off removing everything off of the stands. I'm just going to remove it like shelf by shelf, because I want to kind of keep some type of method to my madness, and I didn't want to pull everything out at one time. This is also my cleaning day for the front room, so you're going to see me dust off the black shelves as well. But again, I just did it shelf by shelf and decided what goes where, and I just placed everything on the black table because I wanted to be able to have enough space to categorize where I wanted to put certain things. So you're going to see books from Diane, that's going to be all together. I have a couple of things that I pulled off that belong to my dad that I haven't mailed off, and I should have, and then games and all those things. So again, I'm doing it shelf by shelf, just kind of keeping some method to my madness. And then once that's all done, then hopefully I'll have a very clean and organized black shelf. So I didn't even know that was up there. I'm showing you guys my wedding photo album. It just brought back memories, you guys. I was just going through some stuff, and you never know what's actually up there until you bring it down. And I have been looking for my wedding album for some time. I thought it was actually in the server area, but there it was on the black shelf. So yeah, that's good memories when I was nice and small and slender. So the boxes that you see here on the floor, I'm going to be using the first box I'm using to put all of our board games on. And actually, when I finish going through these black stands, I actually explain what's in the boxes. But I have some boxes that I know that I need to pack up, whether or not we're moving or not. I just needed to put them in a box and out of the way, because we just have a lot of clutter, you guys. We really have a lot of clutter. And I'll just give you guys a short backstory. So we moved into this house probably about almost 4 years ago, and we moved in haste. So I didn't get a chance to really go through a lot of my items and organize and throw out. And so as a result, 4 years later, like, everything really went very fast. From 2016 to 2018, we moved in, and we were just trying to get everything together, put the main stuff up, the cups, the plates, stuff in the bathroom. And again, we never went through any of those things. So as the videos go on, you're going to start seeing all of the clutter that we have. And then once we had our first child, we just accumulated more things. So over time, we just had to find different nooks and crannies and corners to put certain things, and that's what ended up happening. So we really have a lot of junk that we just need to go through and just throw away. And as you can see, I don't know if you can see it here, but if you look over to your left, you're going to see that black stand where there's like 6 boxes or 6 squares that have nothing in it. And that is because we just throw stuff wherever we can find an open space. The stand that I'm working on right now is actually stuff that we've been housing, like my husband's video game stuff, stuff from our TV, and that we rarely use, and then just putting different things here. So you guys, I am just so excited for this series because it's really giving me the motivation that I need to really clean out my home. And like I said, whether we move or we don't move, it's just now we're freeing up space that we can use for something else, especially for when my baby girl gets here, because now we're going to have 2 kids in the house with more toys and more other things. So I'm just really excited about this series.
Say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning, you wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh. You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face, got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh, you'll break your back to make me feel again.
Okay guys, I don't know what happened, but my camera turned off at the last minute. But here's the end result of my black stands here in my front room. Here's the other one. And just FYI, a lot of my videos that I'm doing that's vlogging is going to be raw and uncut. You're going to hear a lot of noise in the background. My sister here is here working, but that's the end result. And then this box here is box of toys that that Darian is not necessarily old enough to play with. His grandmother and his godmom has bought him a lot of toys that are a little too mature for him right now because he hasn't learned how to use them, but we're going to work on that. I have this box down here that is box of games that we have. We haven't necessarily been playing with games, but I'm not going to tape up this box right away because I have other games that need to go in there. And plus, the year is still young, you guys, and with us being in quarantine, I just know that we will be playing some games soon. This stack right here is going to be going in our server area with the other candles. This is going upstairs. This stack is going upstairs. This is stuff that shouldn't even have been down here, but it was, and we just stuck it in the stand. This right here are toys that my son does play with, that we play with via learning time on a daily basis. So his crayons, coloring books, bubbles, all that stuff. So I have a foldable box like this one that I'm going to put those items in, excuse me. And then I was going to go through all of his toys today. I think I'm going to wait on that because I have an ottoman behind the couch here that I want to go through. And so hopefully I can get to the server area. If I can't, then that will be all that I'm going to be doing for this video. And then again, I'll I'm going to have a lot of videos coming because I just really need to get through this stuff. So I'm going to hop into organizing the ottoman behind the couch. So let's go ahead and do that. So before I decided to work on the ottoman, I wanted to put the things away on this table first. One, because again, I want to have a method to my madness, but I want to try to keep everything clean as much as possible because my son is still here and I just didn't want stuff all over the place. So I decided to get that folding box and put his stuff in, and then these two boxes that I have left over is going to go over by the server area because they have games in them in the server area that I need to kind of put in there. And so now I'm moving on to the ottoman. And guys, I have not touched any of this stuff since we moved in to our home about 4 years ago. So you're going to see a lot of junk just come out of this ottoman. And I'm thinking to myself while I was sitting there, why do I have all this stuff? And it's just because over time I never took the time to do what I'm doing right now, which is cleaning out the space that we really do need the space, but we're just cleaning it out. So now I'm taking the time to do it.
They keep coming like a moth to a flame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You'll break your back to make me feel again. Suffocate to make me breathe again. Lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change, never change. Oh, redemption came. You say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning. You wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh, you think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover.
I just noticed that I haven't taken the time to introduce myself to all of the new viewers. My name is Diane. I do videos on motherhood, organization, lifestyle, and now I'm doing, again, organization, just cleaning out. Those are generally the basis of my videos that I make, and I really enjoy making them. And cleaning videos, I forgot to mention that. I really enjoy making these type of videos. So if you have been on my channel before and you are a returning viewer, thank you for stopping by. If you really like the type of videos that I am doing, then please hit the subscribe button. Please hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more videos from me. And also like and comment in the comment section below. I do return all of the replies to those who have commented on my channel and on my videos.
You to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Save myself by turning into stone. So save your judgment, cause you just don't know. But some things never change, never change. Oh, they say I should feel guilty and change my ways, leaving crumpled bodies in my wake. Swear I didn't mean to make them break, swear I didn't mean to make them break. But they're so delicate and so mundane, and they keep coming like a moth to a flame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You'll break your back to make me feel again. Suffocate to make me breathe again. Lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change, never change. Oh, redemption came.
Looks like we've come to the end of the road. There's no point in running away now. I'd rather sleep until the storm is gone. She'd rather be shooting at me now. I know it will end up in anger. I don't think we grew up, we just became older. She's aiming her words, ready to fire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire.
So this bag that I'm working on is old mail, and I didn't want to take the time to go through it right now because I have a box in one of my downstairs closets that is full of mail, and I'm just going to do it at that time. So you're going to see me put that box back into the ottoman. The bag back into the ottoman along with some other things. And again, when I finish, you're going to see me explain what the different stacks that I have put together. But yeah, I just couldn't believe that I still had mail. That was a bag of mail. I just couldn't believe that.
I know it will end up in anger. I don't think we grew up, we just became older. She's aiming her words, ready to fire. I don't think that bullets will bring back this.
Okay guys, so as you can see, there's hardly anything in my ottoman. This is going to be shredded. This is going upstairs. I have a container of wrapping paper that I can put that in. This bag is full of crochet stuff that's upstairs in the closet in Darian's room. This folder here needs to go upstairs and either be filed away or they're memento like cards. So I'm gonna get all the cards gather all the cards together and put those together. Again, this is my crochet stuff I was gonna make teddy bears with. I'm gonna keep this because I may actually come back to it, and this stuff is going upstairs. So, and again, that's the trash. So there's hardly anything in there. What I did place back in there is stuff that I need to ask my husband about before I just throw it away, because I just don't like throwing away stuff for my husband and then he's looking for it, even though that stuff has been sitting in there since we moved in here in this house probably about 4 years ago. But again, I don't know if he maybe have been looking for it or not looking for it, but I don't want to throw it away. So that's what we got going on here. So for now, that's all that I have for this video. I know that I still have the server area, but I am going to listen to my body and rest. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video.